Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 32 for gym management system in Django. And in this video, we are going to perform the two tasks. Okay, so we are going to perform this task in the trainer panel. Okay, so in the last video, you have seen that how we have created the profile and the dashboard section. Now in this video, we will perform the two things. We will show the assigned subscribers to the trainer. Okay, so whatever the subscriber assigned to this particular trainer, we will show the list. And the second thing, when admin make the payments for the specific trainer, then we will show the payments, all the list of payments. Okay, so we are going to do these two things in this video. Okay, so let's start with the first one. We will show the assigned subscriber. Okay, so we need to create the URL, view and template, all the things. So I'll go to the, first of all we'll go to the URL and view file. I will open these two files. So here we have a URL. Okay, so in this URL, first of all I need to word wrap this. Okay, so here we have a URL, and in this we will say trainer subscribers. Okay, and the same name we will pass in the view, the same name we will pass in the name, and in the view we will create this thing. So I'll go to here, word wrap. Okay, and let's go to here and create this. This will be trainer subscribers. Okay, so definition this and request. So you will think that from where I will get the detail, I will get the trainer instance, or you can say trainer reference. So if you see this carefully, actually we have logged in as a trainer. Okay, so we have data in a session. Okay, so when we are logging in, we are saving the data in the session. Okay, so here we have a trainer login, and here we are saving the trainer ID. Okay, so from this ID I will get the instance. Okay, so this is our, let's say, trainer equal to trainer dot objects dot get, and in this we will say primary key equal to request dot session, and here we will get the trainer ID. Okay, so via this method we can get the trainer instance. Okay, now we are saving the data. Let's go to models. So here we have a models. uh, let's water wrap this. Okay, and we have where it is trainer gym assign subscriber. So here we have, okay, so this model we need to get this model in our view. So here we have, so here we have a model. Actually we need to fetch the models with the help of this models dot. Okay, now, so this is the trainer instance. Now we will say trainer subscribers equal to, yeah, or you can say trainer subs equal to models dot this assign subscriber dot objects dot filter. Okay, and then we will pass this instance trainer equal to trainer, and we will this order by latest one. Okay, so I will say assign ascending, descending, sorry. Okay, now we will render the template. So I'll simply say return render, sorry, return render, and in this the first one is request and the second one is template. So let's say trainer subscribers dot html, and in this we will pass the data trainer subs. Okay, and this will be trainer subs, and here we will pass the data. Okay, here we have. Now we need to create the template. So I'll just simply go to I will open templates, and here we have a trainer, and in this I will just simply say profile. I'll open this and copy this and paste it here. Okay, and I'll say trainer subscribers.html. Okay, so here we have trainer subscribers, and now we will remove this form because we don't need this form. Okay, and we don't need this message also. So I'll just say subscriber list, subscriber list. Okay, so this is the thing. Now the things are very simple. Now what we will do here, we will just create the list group. I will create this in a link as a, I will create the list item as a link. Okay, so that I'm writing the div. Okay, if you don't need the link, then you can write simple ul. Okay, so this will be list group. Okay, and in this we will say href. This will be this thing. Okay, and in this we will create list group item, and I will run this in a loop. So this will be for ts as a trainer subscriber in trainer subs. Okay, and after that we will add this here and for. Okay, and here we will close this thing, and here we will add a ts dot subscriber, ts dot user, you can say. Okay, so here we have, so let's say refresh. Okay, we need to define link here also. So I'll go to left sidebar, and here we will just define the links. So I will go here and place it trainer subscriber. Okay, and we will also need this class, active class. So I will copy this thing and add it here. Okay, and this will be trainer subscribers. Okay, refresh the page. When we will go to assigned subscribers, so here we have admin. Okay, so so every trainer, whatever we have assigned to that particular trainer, then here we will show the users list. Okay, and yeah, so we have completed this task now. Okay, so here we can do one more thing. When we click on this, then we can get the basic detail of the subscriber. Okay, you can show in the window. So let's define the task for you. When you I just want this there, when we click on this, we need to show a pop model, or you can say some bootstrap thing, like a bootstrap model, and in that model we need to show the users data, user basic data. Okay, so this is task for you. If you done, when you complete this task, then please add in the comment section of this video. Okay, so that I will appreciate that, and I will give heart to you. Okay, so we have completed this task. Now let's go for the payments. So payments is also very simple thing. We just need to fetch the data. Okay, so I'll just simply create the trainer payments. Let's say trainer payments, copy here, copy here. Okay, and let's define the trainer here. This will be trainer payments. Now let's go to the models, and here we have trainer salary, and in this we are adding this foreign key. So I will just, we need just this model, and here we will add this. Okay, we just need this trainer instance. Actually here we will add the trainer. So this filter is trainer order by this render, and this will be trainer payments, and this will be also, let's say, pays, trainer pays. Okay, and this will be also trainer pays. Okay, now let's copy the same template here and name it trainer payments. Okay, so copy paste is a very useful thing if you see this. So here we have payments. Okay, and in this we have TP trainer payments, and this should not be clickable, so that I will make this UL, and this will be also UL, and this will be LI, and this the close, and here we will remove this href, and this will be TP, and what is the, so lots of things we need, we can show amount and amount date. Okay, so let's say amount. Okay, and we can show the date also. So we can show the date in the right side. So I will say class float end, and here we will show the TP dot amount date, sorry, date. So okay, fine. So here we have this thing. Okay, so let's refresh the page. Trainer sub OS, it is same. We will go here and trainer payments. So trainer subscribers, but it is same. This is actually we have something wrong typed, so that it is saying this. So now when we go to the payments, currently it is hashtag. So let's make this working. So this will be URL, go to here, trainer payments. Okay, and this thing, copy this and paste it here. So this will be trainer payments. Okay, and refresh the page, go to payments. So currently we didn't define any payment for this, so that it is same. Okay, so let's go to, I will open the another browser. Okay, so let's open the browser and let's log in as a admin. So I will just simply remove this. Why this? Okay, number format. Okay, fine. So I will just simply log in, and here we will log in here simply. Okay, so let's define the payment for this trainer. So trainer salary. Okay, so we have defined here, but it is not showing here. Let's see why it is not showing. So we have a payments, and we are in the trainer payments, and this is in a TP, and we are passing the trainer. Actually this should be trainer pays, not trainer payments, so that it is not showing. So here we have amount, and this is the temp rate, and actually this is showing wrong. Okay, so 20 August this payment is received. Okay, you can also show this in as a table. Okay, so let's show this in a table, because this is not full, this is not fulfilling as requirement. Okay, according to the requirement, I think we need this table. Okay, fine, let's create this quickly. So tr, and this will be th, and this will be amount. Okay, and let's say this will be amount date. Okay, and another tr, and this will be td. Yeah, sounds nice. Okay, so here we will, this will be go here, and this will be go here. Okay, and let's define this here. So I will remove this ul. Okay, and let's define this tp dot amt, refresh here, amount, and here we will define tp dot amt date. Okay, so this is now looking nice. Okay, table bordered. Okay, fine. So we have implemented this both things, assigned the subscriber payments. Okay, now the next thing is we will implement in the upcoming video, change password, and we will implement the channels and all the things. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this playlist. If you have any query, any doubt, anything, please add in the comment section, and please subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel, and click the bell icon to get regular updates. And please give like on this video. Okay, and comment about anything. Okay, about anything for this video, anything about this channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.